What's good, YouTube? Today we have a little more of a chill video of sorts. In today's video, we're just doing some small mods to the BRZ. Really small, super simple. One of which, if you guys have not seen already, we have a cutout on the right side. Some of you guys might be like, dude, fill the hole, dude. Fill the hole. It looks stupid, it looks silly. Since we got our freaking Tommy, dude. If you follow the Instagram, you follow me on other socials, you might have seen that we pulled up to Wicked Big Meat and we pulled up to the Pexi booth. Nice stuff, man. They definitely blessed us with some cool stuff. So we are throwing on that little bit of a mod just to kind of fulfill the aesthetic we are going for. Definitely a Pexi's cutout is gonna make everything look flush and it's gonna make the car come together. So this is one step in the direction we're headed. But there are other cutouts. You might be saying, Jules. There's cheaper options. There's the Varus and there is the, I forget the other one. I'll put it here, maybe. Okay, so there's other options that are way cheaper. You're saying, okay, why not do those? Well, definitely can, but they are known for not being too flush. And like I said, Apexi gave us kind of a nice deal, I would say, so I can't be mad. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys today the installing that on the right side. And if you guys have not seen already on the gram, we have another mod. I'm just gonna come out and say it. Debadging. We ended up debadging the trunk. We debadged Subaru and we got rid of the BRZ chrome. It looks a lot better. Like, it looks 100% better. So I'm gonna show you guys kind of a quick, easy way to debadge your BRZ, your 86. It's honestly pretty simple. All right, guys. So we're just gonna jump right into today's video. We got a few things lined up, so let's just jump right into it. But I'm just gonna do that. Yeah, we'll just do that. Alright, she's a little warmed up. Never do I take off without warming her up a little bit. Unboxing, cut out. We got our clips, 3M tape. Okay, install is pretty simple. We're gonna take our 3M tape and align it kind of on the top here. We're gonna pop our 2 clips on last after we have stuck it on the bumper and clip it in to our bumper. Three boom strips, and you want to tape it across this area. So we got 3 for the side, you have 3 for up top, and then 3 for the side. As you see, I have the slightest bit of alcohol. That's because I'm gonna be using a microfiber rag to, number 1, clean our hole cover, and then number 2, clean the hole. You want to clean inside of here. Obviously, this way the tape could adhere easy. Alright, ready to go on. Let's get our papers off. And let's stick her on. Alright guys, so after you get it all kind of flush with your bumper where you want it, where you like it, pop the clips on, and yeah, it's pretty easy install. What do you guys think? Pretty flush with the bumper. I think it complements the freaking Tommy, dude. Gets rid of the other hole on the other side. Beats putting a silly little toe strap on that side when it's not even gonna be used. Boom, debadged. Alright guys, just cleaned the BRZ, and something I've been wanting to do for a while. It is debadge the trunk, Subaru and BRZ. First things first, I recommend to clean the car so when you're debadging you don't scratch the paint. First tool you're gonna need is a hairdryer. Doesn't matter which kind, but you're gonna need a hairdryer to heat up the glue on the badges. Whoa, that one came out pretty easy. could heat up the glue a little bit and then take some Goo Gone. Boom, debadged, all gone. Last thing you definitely want to do after debadging your car is hit it with some spray wax, because the paint is exposed after debadging the car, so you want to protect your paint. And we also got a little something, dude. A little something. I saw this was pretty decently priced on good old Japan site. Bought an SDI cap, dude. Oh my, dude, this cap is freaking mint, dude. I am so hyped to put this on. All right, guys, it's super dark out, so I thought now would be the perfect time to change our oil caps. Dude, look at that. We got a buyer for the Pexi exhaust. I don't know if it'll show you guys this exhaust. I probably didn't, but I actually picked it up at Wicked Big Meat. It's a 2.5 inch. Originally gonna throw it on the car. It's a really nice exhaust, but hopefully he enjoys this exhaust. Taking the exhaust, Corey, shout out, dude. Sick car. You have Instagram?
I do. Don't judge the name, but it's at Fuck Socializing.
Yeah, he's picking up the Pexi exhaust, super hype, not even opened, so yeah. He's running 255s. What'd you do to run the 255, man?
What didn't I do? Let's see. Fully shaved the rear fender.
Yep.
Shaved the rear fender garnish. Removed the little fender liners, but keep the case on the passenger side with a little evap filter so you don't throw a check engine light. Cusco uppers, locks rear lowers, SPL rear tow arms, Cusco trailing arms, plates. The front I didn't touch in terms of rolling your fender liner, but I'm rubbing a little bit. A little clip that holds the liner in place. You can see, like, you can't even put a thick, like a pinky in there. Negative 3.8 front camber,
yeah.
Good 2.5 rear camber, and that's about it.
Not bad, not bad. Hopefully he enjoys the exhaust. Alright guys, I want to give a quick shout out to Pexi. They did give us some super cool goodies when we did purchase their exhaust. Unfortunately, didn't end up using it because it's 2.5 inch. But either way, I want to give a shout out to them. They gave us some pretty cool goodies, I would say. License plate frame, little bag here, and lanyard. Super cool. Shout out to them. Alright guys, I think that's where I'm gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give me a like down below. It really goes a long way. And while you're down there, consider subscribing. That shows me you guys like what I'm doing here and I can do more. But other than that, I want to give a shout out to today's video sponsor, as per usual, Hachi Electronics. He is the supreme BRZ man, the 86 master of electronics. Go check him out, man. Use code JULES for free shipping in the description down below. And while you're down there, we also have our socials. Julian says can find me everywhere, anywhere, and all the way. Instagram, TikTok, all that cool stuff. I like posting behind the scenes. I like posting cool reels. Yeah, man. What do you guys think of the small mods that we did in today's video? We got the Pexi right-hand side cutout for our exhaust hole cover, whatever you want to call it. What do you guys think of it? Are you spending $300 for it? Do you guys like the D badge better than the chrome lettering on the BRZ, even on the 86? What do you guys think? Do you like no badge better, or do you like you don't mind the badge? Personally, you guys already know my opinion, dude. Get rid of it, dude. Get rid of it. It looks so much cleaner. I like it way better. Finally, what do you guys think of the boy's car that pulled up to buy our exhaust? I think it's super clean. He had a really nice build. Took his time kind of assembling suspension. I mean, he has the whole rear end done. Definitely a nice build, cool guy for sure. I think that's enough said for this outro. I'm gonna get the heck up out of here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Peace. Fart cannon, dude. Nope. We're gonna jump in today's video. What's step 2? What do I do next? What comes after this? What comes after what we're doing now?